Example problem 1 asks us to write the electron configuration for the atom helium. So the first thing that we do is go to a periodic table of elements and find the atom that we're interested in. This problem we're interested in helium, number 2. Then once you've found the atom on the periodic table of elements, you go to the SPDF chart and find the atom there. So light blue indicates that it is an s orbital, and so this is 1, 2, 3, 4s, and then you go into the 3d, and then it goes on with 4, 5, etc., etc. So since helium sits here, it is 1s, and this is number 2, so 2. So the electron configuration for helium is 1s2. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 1.